Good morning, guys. Welcome to my mini series. Time check, it's 12 p.m. here in Arizona. This day I made some dessert. It's a vanilla cake. This one. Then I have remaining cake mixture, so I made some cupcakes. This one is vanilla, and then I put some chocolate chips inside. I'm the only one here in the house with my dog over there. He's waiting for the food, but he already had it. So this one, I gonna let it sit for a while because it's still hot. After that, I gonna slice it and put it in the container so that my husband will come. He gonna have it with his favorite cupcakes, anything that cupcakes, but most probably his favorite is chocolate. So I made this one for later when we watch the game. I wear a Phoenix Suns because they're gonna play tonight I mean. And then I cook something for my breakfast. I cook some noodles, Mickey, with beef, chicken, and shrimp. And then the remaining rice yesterday, I made it fried rice. I put some sausage and egg on it. And then this one, beef stir fry with broccoli. My husband brought it yesterday. So I cook it again because I don't like the taste. I make it something better. See you guys. That's it.